what is a zero-knowledge circuit?
Normally, you write programs in some kind of easy to write, pretty easy to write language like Python or C++ or whatever. For smart contracts, it's in Solidity, but basically they all work the same. So if you know one language, it's basically the same for another language. For zero knowledge proofs, you have to write the code, well, currently still in some kind of special way, it's called R1CS. So it's basically like a list of simple, very simple equations like A times B equals C, and that's you have to write the complete program in a way like that. So that's why like creating those circuits is pretty hard and also pretty error prone, because it's like a totally new way to do things, and there's not a lot of tools or even people that write those circuits. So that's one of the unfortunate things currently, but people are also working on like higher level languages that can convert to those lower level R1CS circuits. So it's like it's gonna get easier, but currently you still have to like mainly write manual code to do that. But yeah, so you have to write like those circuits, because for the zero knowledge proofs, like you have like then a complete table with those constraints, and the zero knowledge prover will convert that list of constraints with all those inputs in a way that generates like a small proof, which can then be used on chain. So it's like a way to input a program in a way that a small proof can be generated from it, because yeah, it's like it creates like functions. It's like internal representation is like it's like large functions, but without going into too much detail. But yeah, it's just a way to create programs that can generate a proof and then can also be verified very succinctly, like with a very small proof and with less complexity than the actual program. So that's one of the other important things with zero knowledge proofs. Is like you can have like a bunch of calculations, but like actually verifying if those calculations are correct needs like very little data and very low complexity, lower complexity than actually doing all those calculations in the beginning.
So it's not exactly a hash, but it's like a hash where computing the hash takes some compute cycles, but matching two hashes is just matching two strings.
Yeah, you could say something like that, yeah.
Okay, very cool. So